this is Deepika. I would like to explain about biofuels from microalgae. Coming to the introduction, biofuels are the most awaited products of scientific research. The fossil fuels are being exhausted and the pollution is increasing globally. Algal biofuels are one of the promising options. They are tiny factories that yield a variety of substances that have the property to act as a source of eco-friendly fuels. Microalgae have been investigated for the production of a number of different biofuels including biodiesel, biooil, biosyngas and biohydrogen. The production of these biofuels can be coupled with the flue gas, carbon dioxide mitigation, wastewater treatment and the production of high valued chemicals. Coming to the mechanism from which the biofuels are produced from microalgae. Algal oil is converted into biodiesel through a trans-esterification process. Oil extracted from the algae is mixed with alcohol and an acid or base to produce fatty acid methyl esters that makes up the biodiesel. An excess of methanol acts as a catalyst. As we can see here, the algae is grown in the presence of carbon dioxide, nutrients and sunlight. The algae is harvested and it is dewatered. The algal oil is extracted. The algal oil is converted into biodiesel. When the algae is fermented, the algae is converted into bioethanol. Oil plus alcohol plus acid or base in the presence of methanol as a catalyst gives the biodiesel. You may have queries with what strains we can produce biofuels. The algal strains are Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, Cinedesmus and Botrycoccus pruni. Why is microalgae preferred for biofuel production? They possess high photosynthetic levels and growth rates and can be used for the production of desired biofuels. They contain considerable amounts of lipids that are mainly present in the thylakoid membranes. Their biofuels are non-toxic and highly biodegradable. What are the applications of biofuels produced from the microalgae? There are several processes involved in the converting the microalgae to biofuels. These processes are following: cultivation, harvesting, drying and oil extraction. Microalgae have various commercial applications in the areas of pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, nutraceuticals and energy and aquaculture. What is the purpose of this talk? Alternating energy sources are to be explored because non-renewable energy sources are getting depleted and environmental pollution is increasing globally. We have great challenges and great opportunities, and with your help we will meet them and make this year the best year in our history. Well, that just covers about it. Thank you.